Welcome back, dear students. Greetings to everyone. So we will start from where we had left. So we were solving practice set 1.1 of class 10 algebra, lesson number 1, linear equation in two variables. In the last session we had completed example number 1. Today we will solve example number 2. That is, solve the following simultaneous equations. In this, there are total 8 examples. So we'll see them one by one. So let's start with the first example, that is 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. A plus 5b is equal to 22. So after looking at this equation, what we have to do, first we have to write down the equation as it is and name them as equation 1 and equation 2. So this will be our equation 1, and below this equation, first you have to write down the second equation, that is a plus 5b is equal to 22. This we will name it as equation 2. Now you have to observe here very carefully the coefficients of a and b. So here we can see that the coefficients of b are 5, here also it is 5. So in both the equation we can see the equation of b, the coefficient of b as 5 and 5. So here we don't need to do anything. What we will do, we will just simply subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So we have to cancel out either a or b. So we'll write down 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. A plus 5b is equal to 22. So here you see here that both the equations are having the coefficients of b as 5. Now we will subtract. If we will do minus over here, so this will become minus, this plus will become minus, and here this 22 will become minus. All signs will change. And then just do the subtraction. 3a minus 1a. If nothing is there, means 1 is there. 3a minus 1a is how much? That is 2a. Plus 5b minus 5b will get cancelled. 5b minus 5b becomes 0. 26 minus 22 is what? Become 4. And we will give the sign of greater number, that is this 26. So nothing is there means plus. It will carry positive sign. So here we are having 2a is equal to 4. So this 2 will go here in the denominator. A is equal to 4 upon 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So here now we are having the value of a is 2. And we'll put this value in either of this equation. So it will be easier for us to calculate the value of a from equation 2. So we'll put value of a. So I'm writing here, put a is equal to 2 in equation second. That is equation 2. So what we get? Instead of a, we will write what? 2 plus 5b is equal to 22. Now this 2 we will transfer on RHS, right hand side. So this will become 5b is equal to 22 minus 2. This will become 5b is equal to 22 minus 2 is what? 20. And now you just have to do the simple transpose. So this 5 is in multiplication. On changing side, it will be going in division. So b is equal to 20 upon 5. This will be 5 ones are 5 fours are. So we are having value of b is 4. So we are having our solution now. After doing the calculation, we got a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4. So a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 4. So this is the solution of this equation. So solution of equation 3a plus 5b is equal to 26 and a plus 5b is equal to 22 is what? 2 comma 4. Remember, first we will write the value of x and then y, first a and then b. So first 2 and then 4. So this was example number 1.